Hi, my name's Sanket. I'm the founder of Synapse. What we do is we're a back office automation and banking API company. So we partner with different banks, whoever is interested in offering an API product to fintech companies and help them automate portions of their back office so that they can do that in real time. Things like making payments or opening up deposit accounts, what have you. For the last 2 years, we've been helping banks automate different back office tasks to be able to automate like these products end to end. About 8 years ago is when I came to the US. And when I came here, I tried to apply for a bank account. And I did that on Bank of America's website, and they denied me a bank account. And the reason they told me was because my SSN was so recent, they didn't have any credit file on me. And this problem isn't just isolated to me, it's pretty much for anybody that's underbanked, any younger person, or anyone that hadn't been banked today. So for about the last 2 years, we built out this account opening tool, which, as I said before, automates everything end to end. The idea is being able to verify somebody's government ID in real time, being able to sift through proof of address documents, visa documents, what have you, using OCR and computer vision to automate everything relating to account origination end to end. So what I have today is this little demo, which is our first banking product we call Insto. And this helps banks automate account opening for customers, may it be individuals or businesses. So I'm just going to go through an individual account opening flow. Again, I do basic stuff. I supply whatever my login credentials would look like. Then I go down. I give my basic information, so my date of birth, then I give my SSN. Obviously, I'll just use a fake one for now. Then supply a government ID as well. And then just hit next. What it does in the background is in real time, it strips out my name, phone number, date of birth, address, everything from my document, and tries to match it with whatever comes back from my SSN, phone number, email, the metadata that was already provided. And it validates all of that in real time. This was good, but one of the biggest things we kept on hearing from banks again and again is that we don't know who's on the other side of the screen. And some banks have built a hack around this. So what they do is when somebody tries to open up a deposit account on a website, they say in next 10, 15 minutes, we would have an individual call you and do a small Skype conversation and verify who you are. BBVA being like the biggest example of doing this. So what we built out next was, again, a video verification tool. The idea is someone can just supply a small authorization video for themselves. So something like this.
I authorize account opening at XYZ Bank.
So pretty much they say this. The goal is to use the small video to do 3 things. The first thing is facial recognition. We use this 5-second clip to capture different emotions on your face and then build out a facial recognition model for you, and then compare that to whatever image you have on your driver's license right there. This software is fairly good. So as you can see, my hair are kind of different, my facial hair are kind of different, my face is kind of stretched out on the driver's license. Here it's slightly narrower. It would pretty much verify me as the real person still. So that's step 1, which is, again, I'm going to supply this authorization video. The other thing that we do on top of this is speech to text. So we want to make sure that we have the context associated with whoever the individual is and what they're saying, what they're really signing up for. And the third thing was the rebuttal, that what if somebody hacked the audio, you were saying something else, but they changed that. So we built out a neural net for lip reading. So the idea is, as you speak, we pretty much try to predict the words you're saying, and then we compare that to whatever the audio you have. So now we have about 3 different logics built in this: facial recognition, speech to text, and lip reading. And all of that combined verifies who this individual really is, which is again a part of the enhanced due diligence process in about 5-10 seconds, something like that. So that's pretty much it. This is kind of the higher order bit. The video auth ends up verifying the user, making sure whoever claims is sitting behind the screen supplying all of this information is actually who they say they are. And second, they know what they're signing up for. Everything else fairly straightforward. You just agree to terms, click submit, and you open up a deposit account. That's it. Thank you.